And Gifty, let me tell you, you can go to court 100 times, 200 times. I don't give a damn. For your stupid Hobson Adorye to sit on the radio.
Welcome to the Political Run with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Men kana Agraada. Wasa kwa kofa meyire ni trademark no kufine. Se enono oye gazetted no kufine. Agraada, look at my face. I'm telling you today. Se uyo ba sabo no kufine. Awa uspesi no senekari.
Me mam good morning. Me diane no kufine, no ko tantalizer. No ko alarm shake, no ko pressure, no ko you go explain tire, no ko Hobson, oh yere. Agraada pa mo me yiri din se no ko fine. Wa go fa me yiri din ye registered ye ni trademark se no ko fine. Hobson, oh yere. Fio ko pe betena. Fio fa Jimmy ko. Can't feel pass so ya sorry no patutu to ayentwi yase afi ni asori me kwafa me phone akotia e na wo pa bomi din me yiri din kwase ya sa na akotena radio SYZ baby akotena ho no sa na akotena ho e na Agraada pa omo mimi o se den e na ma bu astripi naked kwase ya go and take care of your son wo ya bua upon and some me catch the win na won't me fa me go baby you can't do me anything wo yiri edin ededen no ko fine. Me pacho, the no fine has been gazetted for me. Me dear the Reverend Mrs. Siama, aka no fine, no sweets, no tantalizer, no pressure. E bi ma twama o ya bua ma body ne ye obeye. Ye de obeye asia. Me ka se yeti a. Mude mutie.
They say Agraada TV.
Me tie.
We your papa. Sabo no kuf.
No ko fine, no ko tantalizer, no ko alarm shake, no ko pressure, no ko Hobson go cry tire. That mean I wo yere. Wo Hobson, wo yere. Ayi de be na aka na asem no. Ayi de be. The one ne wo mani mi no. Ana oba na one ne wo abamu ana wa nhwe no. Ayi de be na aka no. Emu de wen. Wo yere. Do you have a wife? Quite got your cock meet you. Oh, my boy, hope say my boy, but say my boy, no go fine, my boy, no go fine, no go fine. Hey, if I'll Jimmy, I didn't make Gasa no Gasa. Come on, to oh, free quasia. What's not crowing with Jimmy? What's your boss? What's your master? Don't come and throw this and kwala challenge to me, Agraada. Because some yeti abegina TV ne so na bebo no ko fine biem. Be se me ye no ko pressure. Me ye no ko fine. Me ye no ko tantalizer. Hobson, the obeye ne ye. The obeye no. Just do it for me. Do something for me to know. Hobson, do something. You are a man. And then obeye. Yeti kremu na betsa ho, unnim na bomi dia. Mema police at show my boo. My police betch me up to now. And I don't know what are you going to do to me? Ubekume. Hobson, ubekume. They say me Jalim put my reply. Ubekume.
Yo papa. Sabo no ko fine.
No ko fine. No ko tantalizer.
Last year by AyEka,
When Jimmy.
Ana wo ka se.
Shani Jimmy B. What see ya? What got the whole radio station? See you booming kume. Abua upon all the points I give you, you can't come out to explain yourself. You say won't show back. Don't push me. Hobson, don't push me. What? And then I be me. Because the first now we need crop work. And then I the only thing you can do is my channel. The only thing you can do is something nako Yoku. The only thing you can do is something nako GRE. What? And then I bet me you can't do foko. What must say? And you obey any no. If you are the mafia work where you could do, but apart from that, no, would you make call police station? I will come back and fire you everywhere you take me to. Hobson, trust me, the battle line has been drawn. We a penny Jimmy for Unimiansa, we are quasia. No penny for being a miakasa. Also, Rami Bay videos so in the Majamo. Why? Do you have a wife? Jimmy for Jimmy was Jimmy Penny Toto Penny Quasia to say to be considered radio to say, Meme Bawa Yenshime, a poor giant, but Piabon saying, but you are no one. We are bad for me, yiding, say no co fine. Quasia, me say I have been gazetted, no co pressure, no co fine, no co afraid. Who afraid, dear? Just come. Nejai will be able to trust me. And then I'm can you kill me? You can't do foko, you can't do nothing. I'm ready for any your stupidity, malafaka. I don't give a damn who saying. What's Jimmy? What's a crime when I would neuro? I've make everybody to know, say, so I won't quasi a no but pony wine out the way when I grow crumano, a powerless. Me knew no one of pewate. Quasia. Bese me no ko fine, no ko pressure, no ko tantalizer, no ko alarm shake, no ko mama parts, no ko Mrs. Siama, no ko evangelist Patricia, Mrs. Siama. Me say the name has been gazetted. It is my name, it is me. Anyone who will take that name, I will sue you, I will take you to court. Sia. That's how they go. Oma wine at Cheshire, Simusro. Oma wine at Cheshire, Simusro. A boy go be a young kunu, and a cry of ye take you on. Now, no, ya boy, or you're tight to what? I bet now see a mozart in beam, quasia to Yasako, but I bet you. Baba mo na wa wono na wato na twene na wo nhwe no na ne maame de one nam court no eno na kae se uba ye uba be chirim chibi kwa fa kwate ya ufiri okọ kwasia wo yere abo dwan kasa eko
na wo twese adisi ye no on your 30 videos.
You came to throw challenge to me. Some your ba me mo di hope sen ana me mo yiri din eno na me be ye the 30 videos to you. Kwasia unsu atate no hope sen afi na ba be so nsu Ensu atwatse no afi na ba be so da ma afo so ma hunhunum kromo amemeka wo bi say the woman bo wato wache no and this time around between me and you I do see me I swear God between me and you I do see me I swear God hoping ujimi ketekete se ateti akoma wate ujimi and what drink ketekete se ateti akoma siampani
sorting me and my wife na beno one
salting me and my wife. Oh, who need you? Me say we yere spiritually when you yere. Me catch no pray. Spiritually when you yere. Spiritually dey na yere no. Ono and the mami jai we yere ni dimbo. Me catch na we aboa. Chimi for wo yere.
It's your wife go. Can me catch they say. When your bar when you obehwa dey no. Enye insult. Enye insult competition you go. I would not do that. Yes, I just say
and you Jimmy for pa because we demand baby atem hopsing. I will Ghana I say. Me na mama come no too put sense into your head. Say me, I am not going to allow you to insult any woman in this country. I've heard also about say wounded him atem. We can quarry. Me say me by the time I will finish to you, you will repent by force, stopping to insult prominent women in this country. What's your mind?
I don't tell you this one. Mr. Cromha, or the body is a mama.
Who's been your shame? Who's been your foko? Hey, who's been your foko? Who's been your shade? I'm ready for everything. So, who's meets no memo? A who's meets no memo? See a moon will be in Kuno. Whoa. What about crying? What about court? I will face you. I will come from the court and come and lash you. That is me. Me say me did no ko fine, no ko tantalizer, no ko pressure. Hope saying for would shimmy koda for kwasia ko bemi penny kwasia penny jimmy for penny toto penny a when you yansa buofno wire kwasia kwa. Na me madanya na the gazetted no ko fine, no ko tantalizer, no ko alarm shake. Ma sorry a me ba be twi me senya pensu adware akwa adwuma mu a me koda sorry akote wuye kote kra wa bi te se hope say jimifuo bi na no nsuo na wato bada dem no hey masa fa uchimi fa kwasi akọ aboa wo yere no ko fire no ko tantalizer no ko alarm shake hish alarm shake say yamoya you go cry tire aboa biba next time you respect hope say you go cry tire to one company was there for me, Reverend Dr. Evangelist Patricia Mrs. Siama. Today is Wednesday and just yes, just check the outfits. What I say. Wait, no pressure. And everybody should remember my name has been gazetted. The no pressure, the no tantalizer. It's my name. No alarm shake is my name. My name is Empress Noko Farm Noko Tantalizer Mrs. Siama, woman power, woman Gaddafi, woman Trump. See, every idiot can go to court. What must I say? Every idiot can go to court. How do you check my outfits? How do you check me? Just check me out. Just check me out. How do you check me out? So what you say? No pressure, no alarm shake. What you say? Every idiot can go to court. Mrs. say me my phone. I'm dealing with the classy people, so I don't have time to come out to make any banter with Obiara. What you say? Mrs. Hope saying I'm a bono. And Gifty, let me tell you, you can go to court 100 times, 200 times. I don't give a damn. For your stupid Hobson Adorye to sit on the radio, say me ye evil, yamuru minkumi, jawo ne yere kwasia eho edeme obi yere anibeye efom. Mame kanchro. One I the courts I am not part of them. If you sue me 200 billion, I will sue your husband 50 times billion dollars. Me, I am going to sue your husband in dollars. Who could you make a number $6 no? So no say me mama dollars. It took me ko sue no our international courts. Na imagine dollars. Major dollars na my sister into cities. Na me the baby man will balance. So what I say? Do you think you can use court to me? Send me to me, baby. Now mo be frame evo. Mo be frame say ya mummy. Now who kru kwasi ya hope say ni Jimmy we ya wakot dinosaur. Punch back pa ya dem ma wunti. That tells you are part of the fight. Me dini woman Gaddafi, woman power, woman Trump. Me catch out. The court is there for everybody. You can go to court. I also can go to court. But me person me trust social media they me boo. And I am not going to give a damn to stop. Me boo anopa. Unu kunu me kamutia boom. Ne ma boom. Se mo jimie. Na muni mu nyansa. Na wu kunu timi ko jina radio so. Disrespecting me obire. Na wo ba fie na wo oba jimi fo te se wo. Wa wu nyansa se Abigail antu wu kunu fo. Na wo koda wu kunu ekokumu. Any wu kunu esere. Se meme makware abrante ya woni mu nyansa. I was wali penny quackra with Mrs. Hobson Adorye. Momo dia ya, you are going to court. Share. Ube canto quad the ketwa bedekesi. Oh, court. No go pressure. No go tantalizer. No go you go run to court. No go you go court to tire. Like a better than lawyers if we just kidding. No go you go to court to tire. Let you watch it. Share. Do you think I'm social media for now? Yeah, now with the court. Hey, what you know me? Them one feeling me dressing, you know. Feel it, just feel it. No go tantalizer, no go alarm shake. Hey, no go what I say. How do you check my outfits? How do you check it? Check it. See ya.